So let's talk about walk-in bathtubs. A lot of people think that a walk-in bathtub is a good option to have a shower or an accessible tub. Just have a walk in, have a door, and easy peasy. So the good thing about to know about walk-in bathtubs is that they are not for everyone. Um, the big reason is, one, you have to walk into them. So somebody who uses a wheelchair is probably not going to be able to use one of these. And also some people that maybe don't have the best or aren't able to maneuver their legs very well, they may not be able to use these very easily as well. The other big issue with these is that they take a long time to fill up with water and a long time to drain the water. So if someone is susceptible to getting a chill, these may not be good because we're waiting for that water because you can't open the door until the water's down to the bottom. You might get it. You might be wet and cold while you're waiting for all that water to drain. So if you are going to use a walk-in bathtub, I would recommend having a towel nearby so at least you can cover yourself and stay warm while the water is draining. I would also recommend having grab bars too above the tub where you can. So again, so you have something to hold on to while getting in and out. And if you are going to get one of these, I also strongly recommend, if you can, uh, you know, be able to, if there's like a showroom, be able to try it out before you buy it and install it, to see if it works for you or the person that it's going to be that it's for. So that way they can try it out and see if they can get in and out easily and comfortably. Now, if you do get these walk-in ones, besides the kind of the ones you see on TV or in advertisements, they do make some extremely high-end ones like these two, which almost you can, I would say, they almost look like elaborate fish tanks um, beyond the walk-ins. But these two are pretty nice and fancy ones, so don't think you can, if you can afford it, go ahead and get one of these. And if something that's something you want, these look pretty cool. Now, reviews and recommendations. Remember for walk-in tubs that you actually need to step into the tub, and it's not going to be accessible for everyone. If you can, try and test one out before you buy it. Again, recommend grab bars to help get in and out of the walk-in tub, and because that drain time and the fill time can just takes a lot longer than your typical bathtub, and you can't open the door until it's drained. To have some towels nearby to help prevent getting a chill.